Okay, keeping it nice and easy again today, a nice chicken pasta, good for a little midweek or if you want. So we've got chicken, I'm using chicken thighs with the bone in, you could use a different cut if you want. We've got pasta of your choice, tomatoes, garlic and pesto, delicious. Let's get on with it. Welcome back once again to how to cook great food. Okay, so this is super easy. Pasta of your choice, I'm going to use this kind of fusilli type, but use anything you want, spaghetti, tagliatelle, penne, up to you. Chicken, I've got here, the chicken I'm using today is chicken thighs. The skin is off, but the bone is in. You could use a different cut if you want. 1 can of tomatoes, 1 onion cut nice and small, 1 tablespoon of pesto sauce, I'm using a green, and 1 tablespoon of garlic. So easy, let's get this together. So I've got a frying pan here with some oil in it, and I'm using an olive oil. What we're gonna do simply is we're gonna grab our chicken. Like I said, I'm using chicken thighs. The bone is in, the skin is off. You can do this with breast chicken if you wanted, or another cut. We're on a medium heat. We're going to hit that with some salt and black pepper. And we're going to go medium heat for about 6 minutes, you know, kind of 3 minutes aside. And that's it, we're well on our way. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Like I say, very easy this one, but super tasty. So there we go. Now this chicken is not fully cooked all the way through, and don't worry about that, there's going to be another process of cooking. What we're going to do is we're going to take it out and set it aside. Then what we're going to do now, we've got some lovely flavoured oil there. We're going to grab our onion and we're going to drop that in. I'm also going to grab the garlic, that's a tablespoon of chopped garlic. And we'll stay on a medium heat here, and we're going to go for 4 minutes. Beautiful, those onions and garlic cooking really nicely. Simply, we're going to grab that 1 can of tomatoes, which was whole plum tomatoes, and I just sort of broke it down roughly with my hand. In that goes, as does that 1 tablespoon of pesto. Now if you want, get some dried oregano in here, maybe some little bit of chili or chili flakes if you want. I'm keeping it nice and straight today. Medium heat. I want to go for 5 or 6 minutes now. I really want to cook those tomatoes out. And give it a stir every now and then. Really beautiful. Okay, let's get our chicken back in there. What we're going to do now is we're going to pop a lid on this, turn it down to a simmer, and we'll let it go now for maybe another 6 minutes. That'll give it enough time to cook the remainder of the chicken. Okay, I've come to the lid, get some steam out of there for you. And that is looking beautiful. Right, grab the chicken, it's going to come out again. What we're going to do is we're going to throw our pasta in here now. So your cooked pasta ready, in it goes. Like I say, use any type of pasta that you want. I'm using this fusilli type thing, it's quite a large fusilli. Heat's going to go on maximum. We're going to throw this around for like 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to serve this on a plate and pop our chicken on the top. Job is a good one. A little bit of chopped flat leaf parsley on there, add a nice little bit of colour. Super easy, super tasty. We've got a nice chicken pesto tomato pasta there. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's going to shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee, help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.